Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WooCommerce webhooks for Stripe events syncing step by step clearly. To update WooCommerce webhooks for Stripe event syncing, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce section in the left sidebar. Select Settings from the WooCommerce menu. In the Settings page, click on the Advanced tab. Under the Advanced tab, click on Webhooks. Here, you will see a list of existing webhooks. To create a new webhook, click the Add Webhook button. In the webhook name field, enter a relevant name for your webhook. Set the status to active from the drop-down menu. In the Delivery URL field, enter the URL provided by Stripe for webhook events. Choose the secret option if required for security purposes. In the API version field, select the desired API version from Stripe. Next, scroll down to the Events section. Here, select the specific Stripe events you want to sync with WooCommerce. You can choose events like payment_intent.succeeded or checkout.session.completed. After selecting the events, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Webhook button to save your settings. Once saved, WooCommerce will generate a unique webhook secret. Copy the secret for future reference, especially for verifying webhook signatures. Next, head over to your Stripe dashboard and log in. Navigate to the Developers section in the Stripe dashboard. Under Developers, click on Webhooks. In the Webhooks section, you will see an option to add a new endpoint. Click the Add Endpoint button. Paste the previously copied delivery URL from WooCommerce into the endpoint URL field. In the Events to Send section, select the same events you chose in WooCommerce. After setting the events, click the Add Endpoint button. Your webhook is now set up in Stripe. To ensure the webhook is functioning correctly, you can send a test event from Stripe. Return to your Stripe dashboard and select your newly created webhook. Click on the Send Test Webhook button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.